Next step, we'll see how to add comments in our PHP code. Why do we need comments? It basically improves the readability of the program. Comments are not displayed on the browser, but still, why do we need it? It is helpful for the fellow programmer as well as yourself. In case if you see your own code after a month, you might forget what you had been trying to do. And especially when you work in a team, comments will just give an idea for the fellow programmer what you had been trying to do. There are two types of comments, single line comment and a multi-line comment. So what is a single line comment? It starts with this double slash. This is a, you can also see the color change given by the editor. You can also use hash for single line comment. In case if you want to comment a large block of code, we have this slash star star slash. Here this is multi-line comment. Whatever is inside is treated as a comment. Because in this case, if you see, type something, you can see the color change. It doesn't come in the green which is displayed given by this editor. So this is a multi-line command. If you just keep typing something, it still is under the commenting screen. So in this example, we'll see how to print our server's date. So we'll just go to our, and we also see how to use our PHP manual. Just go to php.net. This is our official site for PHP. You might have lots of tutorial websites available over the web, but still this is the best site for viewing the entire PHP manual on each and every function. This site gives information about the current PHP version. So while recording this video, PHP 5 is under beta now, and you have to look out for the stable versions. So 5.4.13, 5.3.23 are the stable versions. So this should be used for production. And now we have documentation here. If we just go to documentation, you can view either online or you can download it, so that in case you don't need to come online every time, you can download in all these available formats. And you can also do a quick search here, even from the home page. I just search for a function called date. So it directly navigates to a function called date. So this is the help text for the function date. You can just give a read. It's used to format a local time bar date, and it can also use to print the current timestamp. And we have lots of options here. You needn't by heart these things. Every time you need, you can go and refer this. I use a dot here. Dot is used as the concatenation operator in PHP. So this date function, date is an inbuilt function, and it accepts lots of arguments. So let's try to print our current date. So small d stands for day of the month, leading zeros. In case if today was 8th of July, it will display as 08. And if you want the month in 3 digits, either as a numerals or as words, we can use M. If you want the year in 4-digit or 2-digit format, you can use appropriate things. I'll just display something. Just see the output here. So it says today's date is 25/3/2013. this may not be the current time. This is the time which is set in my PC clock. So it can be anything if according to your time. Now we'll try out other available options. So I just want the month in words. So I have F. Just give. So it says 25 March. And these hyphens are not standards. You can use anything within this codes. The available special characters, a list of special characters are available. So you can use whatever you want. Now you also want to print the timestamp. You can refer the manual in detail for each and every word. So you can see the time is being refreshed. So the time zone, based on the time zone, it is displayed in 24-hour format. You might see a different time in my clock. So it automatically adjusts to the UTC, that is a Universal Time Coordinator. So this is how we have to use our PHP manual. So whatever function you need to, you can go and search here, or also you can look at the manual here, online manual, or even you can download an offline manual. So this is the dictionary for PHP. Whatever functions, methods, or whatever is available in PHP is available in this manual. You can also contribute developing this manual during lots of help notes, or also you can just give user contributed notes which is present everywhere in every function. So this user contributed notes at the bottom gives you more idea about the function, in what ways it can be used, etc.